it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. I'm filming at like 2 p.m. and it's so dark outside. I face like a balcony and I'm just like looking out into the abyss like... It's 2 p.m. but it is raining a lot, so... Today I wanted to do an updated what's on my laptop. I have the MacBook Air, so let's get into my old crusty dusty MacBook Air, but it's fine. So here is the case. I got this case from Amazon and I really love it. I think it's so unique and pretty, and yeah, I really love this case. It's very detailed for like a laptop case and it feels really nice. It's smooth and yeah, I love it. This is the bottom. It also comes with the case, but yeah, these things keep falling off for the life of me. Can never get them to stay on, so that's just that on that. And it's really dirty down here, so let's just look at the pretty part. No, yeah, but okay. So this is my MacBook Air. It is very pink, I realized. I do have this pink little squishy thing. I keep it on most of the time for like, cause sometimes I eat and watch videos and all that stuff, so I don't want to get my keyboard dirty, but when I write serious essays,
this guy comes off. This guy comes off when I'm like really typing.
I also have a sticker on my laptop. I have a little sushi. I don't know why I put a little sushi roll there, but like I do not trust. I do not trust. Sometimes, you know how you like accidentally click on random websites and like honestly they could gain access to your camera and anybody could be watching you, so you know what? I don't like to play those games. Either way, I don't really use like, you know, the MacBook camera because I don't know about y'all, but do you have the MacBook Air? Because that camera is
bad.
Okay, so I do not use that. Alright, so this is my wallpaper. It's just like
Every day is a fresh start. How do you know?
Make myself feel better about my life, so that's what I have there. And then I actually have some random folders up here. I have retouched photos, which is my like portfolio photos. So if you follow my Instagram, you'll see I have these cutesy dootsy photos that I just did a shoot for, so that's right here, a bunch of like retouched versions. Then I have pics, so I have more pictures of myself. Wow, who knew? Yeah, I have a lot. And then I have random, I don't know what that is. That's the Germany thumbnail, and more pictures. And I have Untitled 3. Oh, that's more pictures. So yeah, that's all here for some reason. And then I have uTorrent. Moving on. And then I have a media kit, which is like all about me. This is some random like business thing. And then I have work, which is just like a bunch of like resumes of mine. And then I have like, this is like my, I don't even know, it's just so many like random things, like resumes upon emojis. I don't know. I have a lot of, obviously a lot of versions of things, like just way too many. And then I have like my old like end card, and then I have like transparent this version. I don't know, dude, it's honestly, I don't know. And then they have videos, which is like all of my videos that I just like hold here. And then I have like Germany, so I have like little folders of videos. Then I have music, so this is a bunch of like music I use in my videos. I have my end card that I forget to put in a lot of my videos because I am irresponsible. Hi. Then I have photos. These are just like random photos of mine, like literally so random. Like I don't know, am I obsessed with myself? Maybe. But yeah, they're just a bunch of cuties. Oh my god, I miss like white nails. I need to like do that again. I miss that. Okay. Portrait. Oh, guess what? More photos of myself. I don't know if these are any good. Wait, hold up. I kind of like this photo. I should post that. How'd this end up being about my Instagram feed? That's that on that. Okay. Then I have, oops, this is funny. I actually didn't realize I didn't upload some photos for my Germany vlog. So when I was finishing up my Germany vlog, I realized I was missing footage. So this is my oops. I forgot all these things for my camera. And this is just the wallpaper that I'm using right now. Okay, so let's just empty my trash so I feel better about myself. Okay, so here's Final Cut Pro. Love that. I literally use that all the time. Obviously, it's my editing software. I use that very often. Okay, we're forced quitting. Ah, my life. Okay, and then we have Apple Store, which I never use, System Preferences, iTunes, which I never use. I wish I could delete iTunes. Actually, I don't, because that's where I store all my phones, so never mind. Like, you can store your entire phone onto iTunes, and then you just upload it to like another phone when you're switching phones, and it does all of it, and it's insane. It's very impressive. Not even T-Mobile can do that, so thank you iTunes for that. That's the only thing you provide me with. And then I have FaceTime, which I never use because my camera has a sticker on it. Then I have Photos, which I literally don't use. Or no, is it deleted? So yeah, it has like 11,000 photos of mine, but I have like 31,000. So I don't even know how my computer got all these photos of me. But guess it just does that. Guess she just do that, sister. Then I have my messages. Then I have QuickTime Player, which I'm using to screen record right now. And then I have my notes, which connects to like my iPhone notes. So whenever I do anything, it updates on both, which is kind of like annoying, but it's fine. And then I have calendar. Then I have PowerPoint. I use PowerPoint so often, like literally so often. So much needed. Google Chrome, Safari. I never use Safari. I always use Google Chrome, period. Then I have Microsoft Word, which I also use a lot. So yeah, then I have Finder, which obviously, yeah. So here's my desktop. Obviously, you just saw that. Then AirDrop I use very frequently for my phone and my laptop. All my files, I don't know why everything just duplicates in all my files, but it's very, very, very annoying. And it just makes it a lot harder to delete everything. Oh, love that. Then I have iCloud. I don't even know. I don't even think I use anything on iCloud. Oh, I guess I do. So, alright. These are like a lot of like transitions and like effects that I use. I guess I do use iCloud. So, okay. Then I have applications, and for some reason I chose applications as the folder to hold all my like finalized videos. So like, you know, these are like this is my fridge video, Germany video, I have an Instagram video, my intro. And then I have Siri, which I never use. Photo booth, obviously never use. Microsoft Excel I use a lot for school. And Maps never use. Mail never use. Oh my god, that's so ugly. Just their whole thing is just so ugly. I never use the Mail thing because it's just so ugly. It just hurts my eyes. Like, just like look at this. Ugh, it just hurts. I didn't even know I could play chess. Very fun.
Pawn e7 to e5.
No. Font book I had to use for like an internship because she wanted like very specific fonts, so I used that online. And yay, so that's that. Downloads is a whole lot of stuff. Hate it. So documents, let's see what's in documents. So documents is a lot of like my transitions and editing, all that kind of stuff. So instead of doing that, let me just show you what's on my Google Chrome. So to get really personal to me, it would probably be looking at my Google Chrome. So let's look at what things I have open right now. Yep. I have the Jonas Brothers Burn Up While Eating Spicy Wings, the Hot Ones episode, just ready on deck, ready to watch. I have one on my channel. I have one on like a website, a backpack website. Netflix, I'm watching Girlfriend's Guide to Divorce, which is actually a very good show. Really recommend. I love it. Then I have like my I can't show that, but then I have like my emails open, so I can't really show that because there's a lot of tea, but yeah, I have my emails open, and And then I have like a YouTube spreadsheet open right now. I should delete that. Then I have like a Word doc about like strategies for like another business that I'm working with. So I've that. And then I have Hulu open to what? Pretty sure it's 90 Day Fiance. And then I have Hulu open to 90 Day Fiance. Yeah. And then I have a link to how to set up an Insta shop. So that's me. That's me, baby. And then I have like so many things bookmarked. They're mostly like ukulele chord tabs. IPA chart. Oh, love being a theater major. And then I have Oedipus. Why did Oedipus blind himself? I just love knowledge, my brain. And then the distribution of evergreen and deciduous trees. My bio. Oh, my brain. No, because I also study bio, so that's, I don't know. Secondary forest succession and post-agricultural. That was not good times for me. Altitudinal patterns and controls of plants. Oh my god. 10 closest hotels to Hershey Park. That was before I realized that you have to be 21 to get a hotel room anywhere, so. Density of liquids and solids. DH game. Okay, a quiz, Campbell biology, thumbnails. Anyways, that's that. So, oh, you could really see here everything I do. YouTube, Gmail, Netflix, Amazon, my channel, Facebook, Dynasty. I watch a lot of that show, Dynasty. Oh, it's so good. One of my favorite shows right now, actually, Dynasty. PayPal and Flaunt Models, where I am at. But yeah, I'm also always on Pinterest. Oh. I'm also always on Pinterest if you want to come through. This is my Pinterest right now. Yeah, I have a lot of fun. And here is my Instagram if you ever want to come through and say hi to me. So yeah. Alright guys, I think that was everything on my MacBook Air. I just watch a lot of TV shows. So that's that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, and if you come on Instagram and give me love, I'll give you some love back. And yeah, alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.